Oh, sorry.
Oh, this is nice. Push one of the upper floors. There we go. This is at the MEH in Houston. Go to LL if we can, or UL. Oh, that was my bad. I'm sorry about that. I'm not sure if photography is allowed in here, but we're gonna still film anyways.
This thing's huge.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's a nice elevator. I like it a lot.
It is pretty nice. I like how big the indicator is.
I know the indicator looks cool. Sorry, we pushed 2 floors. Oh, this is parking. Okay. And I'm thinking, let's go to LL and then let's just end at UL.
Yeah, let's do that.
I'm gonna that way I can show the outside because there's a lot of security and I don't know if they'll tolerate elevator photography. Let's end at UL.
Good solution.
There it goes, and that's it.